Hello, my name is Ben, and on this YouTube channel I document my own print-on-demand journey. Today I'd like to talk to you about Amazon Merch. I haven't really talked about Amazon Merch a lot. I just would like to talk to you about my sales so far. I started making sales on Amazon Merch in December 2020. This is when I signed up. Started my print-on-demand business in November, and then signed up for Amazon Merch a couple of weeks later and got approved within just a few days. If you want to know how you can sign up on Amazon Merch and get approved, then please click on the video at the end of this video. I've put a link there, and you can see it in the outro. And I think it is very important that if you can get an account, you get an account, because Amazon Merch, you never know if they will restrict it one day. Like Displate, for example, if Displate, you could get accounts, you could get an account a while ago, and now you cannot sign up anymore on Displate. So Amazon Merch might be similar. As soon as you can get an account, do it. As long as you can get one, do it. So how are my sales going? So as you can see, this is December. In December, I made 18 sales. So this was my first month. This looks like a lot. It actually is, but the first 10 I bought myself because I needed t-shirts anyway, and it helped me to get out of tier 10. So I'm currently tier 100, and I plan to get to tier 500 very quickly. So obviously this is only December, but I think still 8 organic sales in December in the first month. That was pretty good. Yes, it was before Christmas, but a few of them sold after Christmas as well. So let's have a quick look at January to March. So let's have a look at January to the 23rd of March, actually, which is today. And I'm going to show you how it's going. So in total, these are 32 sales. So in total, that took me to 50 sales in total on Amazon Merch within 4 months. So it's not great, but it's also not bad considering I'm only tier 100. I got into tier 100, I think like 5 or 6 weeks ago, and I really want to get to tier 500 quickly. 50 sales at the moment. 10 of them I purchased myself. The other ones are all organic. 90% of my shirts are listed on Amazon.co.uk because this is where I live. I haven't really listed on Amazon.com, only a few, but I think if I get to tier 500 soon, I will start listing on Amazon.com because a lot of people have recommended selling on Amazon.com, and I will do this as well. As you can see, most of them give me royalties. This one doesn't, for example, because my strategy was to really keep the prices low in the beginning to, get a few more sales, tier up quicker. I don't really care about, a quick pound here and there. I really want to make a lot of money by getting tiered up quickly, and then obviously by having more designs online so that I can see more sales coming in. Now, this is all I want to really tell you today. Really give you an update. That Amazon Merch can work. I think this platform really has so much potential because at the moment they only have a few products really that you can put your designs on. I guess going forward they will introduce other products like mugs, for example, which then will really boost the marketplace even more. I think there's no way around it. If you are in print on demand and you want to, you're serious about the business, try to get an Amazon Merch account. There's no guarantee you get one because you have to apply, but as I said, I'm going to link the other video at the end of this video so you can take a look at what I've done and how I got my account approved. I hope you liked the video. If you did, then please smash the like button. And if you want to follow me on my print-on-demand journey, then please subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.